Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to check your browser and your application for testing for MCAS. So if you're a remote student, you'll be given this link when you open it to a new window, and it'll look like this. Once it's there, you come up here and do a browser check, just like that. And then you'll see pass, 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 okay? And then you can go back to sign in here. So real easy. The drop-down menu, browser check, pass, pass, pass. Any issues, let your career advisor know and take a snip so that they can pass it on to me and I can help you out. Okay. Next up, how to check your app. So for in-person students, you will find this app similar to like what the map testing one is all about. You're going to double click. So it's just loading. Okay, so same situation here, except this time, drop down, it'll be app check. You do an app check, and then we don't have a configuration identifier, so you're just gonna click run app check. And it runs a little check on the application, and then it says pass, pass. Okay, any issues, take a snip, and send it to your crew advisor so they can send it to me. All right, hope that's helpful. Thanks.